Hello students, this is Dr. Anand Pai coming back with another question. This time we will go with the NEET question. Okay, this has appeared in NEET 2025. Let us solve this problem. Okay, in some appropriate units, time t and position x relation of a moving particle is given by t is equal to x square plus x. The acceleration of the particle, pretty straightforward, but we need to understand how to differentiate. If you understand differentiation, then this can be done very easily. So what is given is t is equal to x square plus x. Here we don't have to use any formulas, just the basic differentiation or the basic thing that velocity is dx by dt and acceleration is dv by dt, which is equal to d square x by dt square. This if you understand enough. So let us integrate. Now we have to understand here t is a function of x rather than x being a function of time. So there's a bit of twist here. That is why I have increased the toughness index here. So here one of the ways is dt. When you differentiate time, it is dt, small difference. And this x square will become 2x into dx plus here x would be dx. So we get dt by dx is equal to 2x plus 1, right? So if this is the case, then my dx by dt, which is actually the velocity, right? Velocity is equal to 1 by 2x plus 1. Now we have to differentiate this again, that's it. So now dv by dt, which is equal to d square x by dt square, right? D square x by dt square is equal to, here this is in the way of d of 1 by x, right? D of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square dx, right? It's like d of x raised to n is equal to n into x raised to n plus 1, is it not? Sorry, n minus 1, right? So instead of 1 by x, you put x raised to minus 1. This would be minus 1 into x raised to minus 1 minus 1. That would be minus x raised to minus 2, which is minus 1 by x square, right? So the same thing we will do it here. So this particular thing will come as minus 1 by 2x plus 1 the whole square, and then we have to apply the chain rule, right? So we will differentiate this here. This would become 2x would be 2 into differentiation of x with respect to time, so it will be dx by dt. So here very important that it is differentiation with respect to time, so it is dx by dt. So this would be equal to minus 1 by 2x plus 1 the whole square, and here I'll put 2 here, okay, the 1 2 over here I'll put here, and then we have dx by dt. What is dx by dt? It is 1 by 2x plus 1. So let us substitute this 1 by 2x plus 1 instead of dx by dt, and we will get this as minus 2 by 2x plus 1 the whole cube. So my acceleration is actually equal to minus 2 by 2x plus 1 the whole cube. B is the answer. So I hope you have understood this, students. All the best. Happy learning.